तिसवाडी तालुका लीगल सर्व्हिस कमिटी आणि उत्तर गोंय जिल्लो लीगल सर्व्हिस अधिकरणान सायबर क्रायम तशेंच अव्ययदान हाचेर जागृताय कार्यावळ आयोजीत केल्ली। आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
The Tiswadi Legal Services Taluka Committee had this program on electronic evidence and cyber laws because now every third case that comes to the court involves an electronic record. And I think from the very foundation level, that is from the law college level, students should be taught the concept of electronic records, electronic evidence, and they should be appraised about cyber law. So our endeavor was to ensure that these students have an idea about what the law is, how to produce electronic evidence in the court, how to authenticate and how to prove. That's basically what we endeavored to do. We also had a small program by Young India on creating awareness on organ donation, and whoever was interested, they were asked to fill up the forms. First of the series, we are trying to create awareness about electronic evidence and electronic records because there are a lot of misconceptions. We see that a lot of cases end in acquittal because the concept of proving electronic evidence is not so much understood. So this is how we have started, and we would want to target polytechnic colleges or colleges which teach computers or cyber laws, so that we can also get a feedback on the technical side. So this is the first of but we've been conducting programs on other legal subjects such as domestic violence, juvenile justice, etc.
टेक्निकल गूगल मैपिंग, ठीक है। गूगल क्या करता है, जैसे सपोज यू आर यूजिंग अ स्मार्टफोन ऑफ एंड्रॉइड या एप्पल व्हाटएवर, एंड्रॉइड बेस्ड कोई भी आप स्मार्टफोन यूज करते हो, सो फॉर दैट यू नीड टू क्रिएट वन प्ले स्टोर अकाउंट। तो जब आप प्ले स्टोर अकाउंट क्रिएट करते हो तो यू हैव गिवन ऑल परमिशन, आई एक्सेप्ट, आई एग्री, बाय डिफॉल्ट देयर इज नो ऑप्शन ऑफ डिसएग्री, करेक्ट। सो what are the permission you have given at the time of logging into that particular email account, play store account or any kind of software?